Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix World War Z error code aftermath services failed, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is simply just go into your Google browser and you can search up for World War Z servers if they're up and running, because the main reason for this issue is that the servers are actually down, and when they are down there really isn't much you can do other than wait it out. However, if the servers are back up and you are still, issuing, or you're still seeing the error code, what you can do is you can go ahead and restart your network. So you can do that by restarting your Wi-Fi. You can do that by going over to your Wi-Fi router, unplugging the power cord for about 30 seconds to a minute. Once that's done, you can go ahead and plug it back in. And I highly recommend restarting your PC right after as well. And once you do that, you should definitely see the error code fixed. Another thing you guys can do is, instead of using a wireless connection, you can use an Ethernet cable instead. So if you have an Ethernet cable, I highly recommend using that as well. And once you do all of these things, you guys should be good to go and you are all set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.